to beg for mercy, fall to my knees to be your girl. Are you really that deluded? I wouldn't touch you for the world. 'Cause I know, I wake up in the morning thinking this is my new love. And I know, we break up in a week because of your snowman syndrome. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, yeah, I wish you were as big as your ego. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, yeah, I wish you were as big as your ego. Don't need your conversation, babe, I'm afraid you're out of luck. That's too much information. Don't care about models, that's yeah. Whatever. I know, you wake up in the morning thinking this feels dumb as hell. I know, no one could ever love you like the way you love yourself. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, thinking this is my new love. And I know, we break up in a week because of your snowman syndrome. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, yeah, I wish you were as big as your ego. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, yeah, I wish you were as big as your ego. Don't need your conversation, babe, I'm afraid you're out of luck. That's too much information. Don't care about models, that's yeah. Whatever. I know, you wake up in the morning thinking this feels dumb as hell. I know, no one could ever love you like the way you love yourself. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, yeah, I wish you were as big as your ego. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, yeah, I wish you were as big as your Ain't no way I'd give it up. Move to you like I'm in love. You want it, but can't give it. Baby, I don't ever do I look like I'm in love.
Hi everyone, my name is Raphael. I'm a French makeup artist, but you probably know me as Dolly Page. Today, I'm gonna transform from this to a beautiful dancing queen.
That's cashews.
First of all, I'm gonna put some tape on my face. It's gonna give a soft lift to my eyes. Next, I'm gonna block my brows to recreate a more feminine shape.
Don't love me now, you gon' love me tomorrow. If you don't love me now, you gon' love me tomorrow. Get it?
To move on with foundation, and today we create a drag look, so we need a lot of foundation.
tomorrow.
Because we use a lot of cream contour, cream foundation, we're gonna set everything with powder, a lot of powder. After cream foundation, I'm gonna apply some blush and some bronzer. Next step, the eyes. We're gonna create a bigger crease with bright colors. Of course, we're creating a drag look, so we have to define the shape of the eyes. I'm gonna use a liquid eyeliner. Just imagine you're gonna be on stage and dance all night, so we want something very, very intense for the highlight. First of all, I'm gonna use some powder highlight and next sparkles. Add some lipstick and a little bit of gloss. You just have to put a wig and now you are ready to be the dancing queen. Thank you so much guys for watching. It was Dolly Page. I hope to see you soon.